Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the VAN 1067 error in League of Legends. Whether your game won't launch at all, keeps giving you an error, or you just want to get back into your matches without delays, this step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to solve the problem quickly. First, open the Start menu and type Services, then open it. In the list, find VGC, double-click it, and change the startup type from manual to automatic. Next, click Start, then Apply, and OK. Closing this window, try launching League of Legends again. Sometimes this simple step alone fixes the error. If the problem persists, we'll flush the DNS and reset Windows networking. Open the Start menu, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. In the command prompt, type ipconfig.flushdns and press Enter. Then type netsh winsock reset and hit Enter again. After completing these commands, restart your PC to apply the changes. Once your computer reboots, open League of Legends and try launching the game again. The VAN 1067 error should now be resolved, and you'll be able to play without interruptions. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll fix the VAN 1067 error and get back into League of Legends without any hassle. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who might need it. Why not make their day a little easier?